Good morning, students. Welcome back. I think you all are doing very well. Now, students, again we'll start our new chapter of English grammar. Students, our new chapter is chapter number 7. And the name of the chapter is Replacing Naming Words. Dear students, I think you all remember naming words, right? What are naming words? I am going to repeat it again. The name of person, place, animal or thing is called naming words. Right? Now, in this chapter, we'll see how to replace naming words. Means removing naming words, and in that place we'll use another word. This is the meaning of replacing. Removing naming words, and in that place we'll write another word. Now, what words are that? Those words are I, you, we, he, she, it, they, etc. Okay, students? Now, in place of naming words, after removing naming words, in that place we can write I, you, we, he, she, it and they. Now, students, see, when we will use I, when we are talking about myself, we'll use I. Okay? And when we'll use you, when we are talking about another one who is standing in front of us, we'll use you. She, when we are talking about any girl, we will use she. He, when we are talking about any boy, we'll use he. We, when we are more than one, standing or sitting together, talking together, we'll use we. They, when we are talking about many, we'll use they. It, when we are talking about anything, any object, we'll use it. Now see the sentences and try to understand. Hello, I am Meera. I am 6 years old. See students, here I is written. I am Meera. Meera is the name of girl and she is using I for herself. And next sentence, it's written I am 6 years old. Means she is 6 years old and she is telling about herself that she is 6 years old. So she has used I. Now, next picture. This is my mother. She is a doctor. Now, in the next picture, Meera is telling about her mother that she is a doctor. Here she is not taking the name of her mother. She is not using the name of her mother, but she is telling that she is a doctor. And this is my father. He is a pilot. For her father, she is using he. In the next, these are Tommy and Kitty. They are our pets. In the next picture, she is showing her pets, Tommy and Kitty. And what she is using? She is using they for her pets. Because there are more than one, na? For more than one, we'll use they. This is my house. It is beautiful. Now house is a thing, an object, and for that she is using it. We are all very happy. Now in the last picture, everyone is together. So for everyone together, she is using we. We are all happy. Are you happy too? So students, I think it is much clear to you how to replace naming words and what you can use in place of naming words. Now next exercises are given. In this, look at the picture and fill in the blanks with he, she or it. You have to fill only with he, she or it. So students, wherever any girl or any lady name will be there, you will use she. Whenever a boy or any gent's name will be there, you will use he. And wherever anything or animal name will be there, you will use it. Clear to you? Now for example, see the first picture. A picture of girl is there, and what is written? This is Anya. Dash is a good girl. Now Anya is a girl, so for girl what we'll use? We'll use she. Okay. In the next picture, this boy is my neighbor. Whose picture is given? Picture of a boy. And what is written? This boy is my neighbor. And next sentence, Dash goes to the park every day. Now for boys, what we'll use? We'll use he. So in the blank, we'll write he goes to the park every day. Next is a picture of elephant. Now what is written? The elephant is a big animal. Dash has a trunk. What is written? Elephant is a big animal. So for animal, what we will use? We'll use it. We'll write it has a trunk. So in the same way, you have to do all the questions. Now you can do, I think. Now see the next exercise. Look at the picture and complete the sentences using I, you, we or they. Now in this, what you have to do? You have to see the picture. See the picture, understand it, and then you have to fill the sentences, fill the blanks, whatever given. Okay. Now see first one. Two persons are there. What they are doing? They are eating. In this, more than one person is there now. Now see the sentence. Sentence is Dash are very hungry. So what we'll use? Will not use I. Why? Because I is used for myself only when we are talking about myself. So we will not use I. You, again you will not use, because here two persons are there and they are eating. So we'll use we. We are very hungry. Now in the next picture, a boy is sleeping. A thermometer is there in his mouth, means he is ill. So see the sentence, Dash am ill. Here only one person is there, and in the sentence it's written am ill. So we'll use I am ill. In the next picture, it is not the correct answer. It is not the correct answer. The teacher is asking question and someone is replying. And what the teacher is saying? Teacher is saying that it is not the correct answer. Dash are wrong. What the teacher used to say? You are wrong. So here we'll write you. In the same way, you have to complete all the questions. Okay. Now next fun time is there. Fill in the blanks with I, she, you or we to complete the story. You have to read the story and fill it with I, she, you or we. Wherever I will be there, you have to write I. Wherever she will be there, you have to write she. Wherever you will be there, you have to write you. And wherever we will be there, you have to write we. In the same way, you have to complete the story. In this way, this chapter is over and I have given some homework. The homework is you have to read the lesson carefully and you have to complete page number 38, 39, 40 in book only. You all are having books, I think. So you will complete page number 38, 39 and 40 in book. Thank you.